Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with 3 essentials: consent from the other phone, the right app installed, and proper permissions granted. First, have the other person open settings while you guide them. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are enabled. Once done, install the chosen app on both devices and sign into the same account or pair via QR code. You need accessibility access for some forwarders. Grant it now so the system can read incoming alerts. This gets you into the live forwarding phase. Now pair the 2 phones and set exact forwarding rules. You can pair by QR code or by logging into the same account on both devices. Bluetooth pairing helps for local bridges. Next, choose which app notifications to forward, toggle messages, email, or specific apps, and apply filters so you don't get spammed. Then pick delivery. Push notifications are real-time, SMS is reliable but may cost, email is batched. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for the forwarding app. Otherwise, it will stop delivering. Finish by running a test notification from the source phone and watch the target device for arrival. If it arrives, adjust sound and do not disturb exceptions so you don't miss critical alerts. If it fails, verify notification access, background permissions, and that battery optimization is off. Also confirm both phones have a stable network. If problems persist, restart both devices, repair or reauthorize the app, and then reinstall if needed. Those steps resolve most permission and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.